Okay, today I want to talk about this BougeRV MC4 solar wire connector kit. It came with 22 connectors, 22 pairs is what they called it, and each in bags of 6, and then this is the necessary hardware. It came with 2 of these little tools for help getting it apart, because they have a clip lock on them, so in the wind they won't come apart. They're pretty easy to use. You just take this out. Here's a rubber seal for the wire, so they'll keep themselves watertight. They go together and they squeeze squeeze that gasket around the wire. So you put the wire in through here. One thing I wanted to explain, this is considered the female because the inside is the female. Although this looks like a male piece, they're really kind of confusing. So when you're making it the female, it generally goes on your positive lead. And so once again, the way that works, if I take this one apart, I'll just show you the connection. So you take the little piece, you strip it back about 1/4 of an inch, you slide this over, and you get this crimping tool, and I actually bought the BougeRV crimping tool, and then you'll just crimp it down like that. And this tool works with 2.5, 4, and 6 millimeter wiring. And then, like I said, you can just put the MC4 connector back together, tighten it up, and squeeze it. So they're fairly easy to use. There's a lot in this kit. Two different tools, all the pieces and parts you need to make your MC4 connector. So once again, this is a pretty good kit. I'm impressed with it. I definitely recommend it.